recording?
Yep. Come here, buddy. Finally, Mommy got you recording. That's right.
Turn it on again.
It is on.
No, the toy.
Oh, sorry. Come on. You can do it. I know, you always get camera shy around Mommy. I don't know what that deal is. Is your foot caught? Uh-oh. The foot's caught. Bye-bye. Yay! Good job, buddy! Good job.